Once upon a time, there was a shining, magical city called Shisha Nagar. The city sparkled with light and beauty. In this city lived a sweet little girl named Little Barbie. She had a kind heart and always loved helping others. Little Barbie often said, "I like helping everyone." One day, the light of Shisha Nagar suddenly began to fade. The houses stopped shining, and the people became worried. They said, "Oh no, it is getting dark." The secret of the city's light was the magic heart, which was slowly losing its glow. An old wise man said, "If it goes dark, the city will be lost." Hearing this, little Barbie bravely said, "I will go and save the magic heart," and she began her journey. On the way, she found a wounded bird. The bird asked, "Will you help me?" Little Barbie smiled and replied, "Of course, we are friends." At last, little Barbie reached the magic heart. She prayed with love and said, "This city is home to everyone." Suddenly, light spread everywhere, and the magic heart shone brightly again. The magic heart said, "Thank you, kind-hearted child." Shisha Nagar was saved, and everyone learned that true magic lives in love and courage. Little Barbie smiled and said, "Kindness is never wasted."